So, good evening. I'm Inbisat Yousuf from Central University of Kashmir, and it's my pleasure to present UNICEF India Activities Report as the student representative from India. So, last 1 year, UNICEF India has established 24 chapters across India. As you are all aware, Indian chapter was introduced in 2018 at UNISEC-Global meeting held at ISU, France. So UNISEC India has supported, along with ITCA, all our chapters interested in publishing learning resources on space technology for their academic courses and hands-on training covering CANSATs, CubeSats, NanoSats, etc. It's really helping local chapters of UNISEC India to create awareness and sensitization programs very easily. And knowledge transfer becomes very handy, and publication itself becomes a very sensible intervention of UNISEC among academic institutions. All the major activities of UNISEC India has been highlighted in this slide. Our Indian team had the privilege to interact with UNISEC-Global Secretary General, Ms. Rei Kawashima, at IAU at Azerbaijan. And last year, Indian team had an opportunity to attend UNOSA meeting at Vienna of IAU 2022 at Paris. And other noteworthy events are the first WCRC held at Serbia and the seventh Bangalore Space Expo. And as a part of 75 Student Satellite Initiative, we have the advantage of creating space technology related ecosystems across India as a pan-Indian activities, and 35 plus satellite ground stations are being established at various universities and schools in India, and a good amount of seminars and conferences are happening regularly. And currently, 36 student satellites are under design and development with engineering models and are ready, awaiting flight models in just 4 to 5 months. This is our UNISEC team under the leadership of Dr. L.V. Murali Reddy, President of UNISEC India, and Secretary General Dr. K. Gopalakrishnan attended IAU 2022 at Paris. And over here you can see the TIP magazine. It's a periodical published by ITCA and covers UNISEC India activities regularly across India. And in this slide, you can see the UNISEC team at United Nations Office for Outer Affairs at Vienna, Austria. And our team has also interacted with various East European countries, space enthusiasts. India has played a pivotal role in establishing Southeast European Space Association, SESA, along with DUSAN, CSPD, Serbia. So this slide highlights the various activities and CANSAT launching events with drones at academic institutions where UNISEC chapters are active. Also, the historical MOUs have been signed with among 75 student satellite consortium members. The highlight of all these events was the presence in the presence of Indian Prime Minister. MOU was signed at Ahmedabad between InSpace, ISRO, and Dr. K. Gopalakrishnan, Secretary General of ITCA, UNISEC India, for launching freely all the 75 satellites built by Indian academia. UNISEC India, ITCA are playing their significant role in realizing activities of 75 student satellite mission. And this is the occasion of establishment of Southeast European Space Association initiated by CSPD Serbia, our spoke of UNISEC-Global at Serbia, Dusan. And this is, you can see the active participation of UNISEC India team at 7th edition of Bangalore Space Expo. Very great event for space sector held regularly at Bangalore, India. So in this slide, you can see a record number of space enthusiasts from schools, colleges, universities, and space sectors used to attend the Bangalore Space Expo, sponsored by ISRO and Department of Space and Aerospace Industries from India and abroad. And many of the UNISEC India chapters have sponsored their students to attend the satellite launches at ISRO's India Spaceport Sriharikota to witness it in person, including Chandrayaan-3, the India's ambitious moon mission with soft landing successfully recently. And are one of the flagship national seminars on small satellites, big application held recently at Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore on 14th July 2023. Along with the national seminar, the inauguration of UNISEC India chapter at Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, was done by none other than Ms. Rei Kawashima, Secretary General, UNISEC-Global Headquarters, Japan, among the large gathering of students and professors at the jam-packed auditorium. She has highlighted the triple helix model of academia, R&D, and government for betterment of space sector, where UNISEC can play a pivotal role for the betterment of society. UNISEC India has played a significant role in promotion of various space-related activities under World CanSat and Rocketry Consortium and Championship (WCRC). This is the WCRC chapter, also has been inaugurated at Cambridge Institute of Technology. You can see many eminent speakers from space sectors and successful space tech startups by students, including Ms. Bhavna, were addressed these students. This is successfully launching CanSats and CubeSats with drones at Cambridge Institute of Technology, Bangalore, during the inauguration of UNISEC India chapter. CanSats and CubeSats were launched with drones during the UNISEC India event. This is the historical MOU has been signed with capacity building and public outreach CBPO of ISRO headquarters. This is recent. The UNISEC India team at IAU 2023 at Azerbaijan with Ms. Ray as well. A glimpse of UNISEC India team at IAU 2023 Azerbaijan. And this is the UNISEC India team at ISRO's spaceport, Sri Harikota. And in this slide, you can see the 75 student satellite program, which was the historical STEM intervention to strengthen India's space tech related activities at academic institutions as a pan-India initiative. UNISEC India, along with ITCA 75 satellite programs, helps to strengthen the space education and opportunity for higher learning levels as per the revised Bloom's Technology RBT. You can see UNISEC India has established its own global network for mutual cooperation. And also UNISEC India with ITC 75 student satellite mission has closely worked with many of the aerospace industries and startups. This is Cambridge satellite becomes a reality at Cambridge Institute of Technology now, and UNISEC India chapter has made this possible. UNISEC India always finds synergy with like-minded space organizations such as WCRC 75 Satellite Consortium, BRICS Federation of Engineering Organization, and other professional bodies in India and abroad. It also helped Cambridge School to participate in NASA Space Experiments Cubes in Space program. We regularly supporting and sponsoring students and professors to attend International Samara School Space held at Russia from India. At Grace Space, space-related activities are happening across India through the intervention of UNISEC India chapters. You can see 1U, 2U, 3U classroom satellites with all functional subsystems of regular satellites have been developed successfully by UNISEC India team with IDCA. All the chapters of UNISEC India can leverage on the classroom satellites for their training needs. And this is another unique initiative of UNISEC India, an ITCA 75 student satellite consortium is designed and developed the satellite ground station on wheels as space labs to provide opportunity for hands-on training to interested students across India. And various mini projects on subsystems of satellites have been identified. And a good amount of outreach activities and PR exercises can also be done using space education. This is India's first government school student satellite project named Puneet Satellite, sponsored by Government of Karnataka. Pune Satellite Ground Station, it was inaugurated by the then CM of Karnataka. This is a glimpse of UNISEC India team earlier events at Russia, Germany. Here's again the UNISEC India team at early events in Germany, Serbia, Spain, Portugal. UNISEC India sponsored students at International Samara School Space at Russia, Kashmir events at Israel, and IBM events at Netherlands. This is the UNISEC India sponsored student at International Samara School at Russia, and the UNISEC India sponsored team CanSat launches across India and seminars on space technologies, and the MOU signed for the joint development of KCG Varghese satellite of Hindustan University. MOU signed for joint development of Nagargunja satellite of Nagarjuna Group of Institute. 3 more satellites will be built for another regions of Karnataka with the support of Karnataka government. Another flagship international event of UNISEC India ITCA 75 Satellite Consortium held at Bangalore. UNISEC India team students at space qualification tests for their satellite at ISRO's approved facilities. This is the hands-on training sessions at chapters, UNISEC India chapter activities at various academic campuses. Our team at UNISEC chapter across India provided internship to IIT Kanpur and CanSat launching at Bangalore campus. And here's our co-working space of UNISEC India team members at their respective residencies as well. Thank you.